April Fool!
Hey, shout out Temek. Shout out Kamikaze.
On that fuck shit.
Shout out Dente, you know what
you do to my drink? You what?
Nick Nack, patty whack, give a dog a bone. I was taking out your back, hit your motherfucking dome. When I look into your eyes, I know you're not immortalized. With the two,
you
with the four,
what?
Smoking on the get green on the scene with the lean. And my team gonna be Mr. Dream. I achieved no fiend. Can I show cause the cream outside on the key 2020 on the scene.
New and improved Thought Spray. Now with 50% more potency.
Oh, motherfucker!
You're welcome.
Hey boss, do we get vacation days? Your job is a vacation from poverty.
Good shit.
Thought Spray.
God damn it!
You hate me?
Uh-huh.
Good. That'll be $10.
Holy fuck.
Call now.
Everyone knows about email. If your grandchildren have an internet account, learn to send them email. But not too much. You don't want to be a grandma spammer.
Aha! That's right. Yeah. I'm edgy, bro. Look at that. I'm so edgy.
This is Life Alert. Are you okay?
Mother, if you come in here, you're a dead son of a. That's a promise.
Let's get back to
right. So these punks.
Yes.
I don't know if they wanted money or they wanted something more sexual.
Wow.
But it's a lucky thing I had my pieces.
Your pieces.
My guns.
Oh.
Anyway, I started blasting. Bang!
Wow.
Bang! Well, I don't see so good, so I missed. Then they ran away. I ran after them.
Okay.
Bang! Try to shoot them in the back. But I don't run so good either. Anyway, you guys all think I'm a hero, and I'll accept that responsibility.
No, that will take the fun out of it. I hope you're ready for acupuncture.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, fuck.
You think you want a vest now, bro, or no?
Nah, I'm good.
All right, fine.
Okay, so I'm looking at you, you're looking at me. All I see is your shoulder on your firing side and your right eye.
Oh, how the tables have turned.
Nipples, check.
This one's good. You're gonna like this one.
Oh my God.
Yeah. They modeled that after my penis.
Send it.
Attention! If you or a loved one was diagnosed with mesothelioma, you may be entitled to financial compensation. Mesothelioma is a rare cancer linked to asbestos exposure.
Where's this free t-shirt at? Where's this free t-shirt at?
Someone get this man a t-shirt!
Yeah, ooh, let me, ayy, ooh, ayy, I do it. Run that bitch up like a track me, run that bitch up like a track me, Give me the pack and I might take that. She got a fatty, I might take that. Give me your addy, we pullin' it to your pattern, then we gon' put it to rest with no click clap. I run that bitch like a boy with a cell on it. She so my dick, then I bet on her. I got the pack in the box, I said, man, on it, open it up and then seal it up.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Hi. Thank you, come again.
Come on down here and let me tap that ass.
Thank you, come again. That'll be $10, please. Aww. Yeah. Bye.
Now, bitch!
I guess.
Another change. Cutting from the thoughts within.
What the hell? Holy bastard! Jesus, fool! New York City? New York City! Oh no!
Why leave anything on your front lawn, under your porch, on the side of the highway when you can store all that stuff my way down here at Jones big ass truck rental and car storage? You can rent a truck, you can store a car, they don't care, bring it on down here. Oh!
Hell?
The fact of the matter is, I'm pretty drunk right now, and store it. Are you okay?
Yep. Hi. How do you like my double barrels?
Okay, what the wait, how do you get two?
I have to.
Where's the single one?
Here.
So
Got him! Got him!
you have one single one and then two quad. Each one has, let me see.
So you have chosen death.
You can't fucking see it. It's not in there?
No. Why would I load it right now?
So listen, when it goes in here, it doesn't fall out?
Nope.
Are you dumb?
Unless I make it.
SOS の依頼が来ました。世も末。問題のハガキはこちらです。なるほど。オープンしたてのラーメン屋が燃え上がってないみたいですね。わかりました。助けに行きたいと思います。待ってくださいよ、店長。待ってますからね。オッケー。
プロテインがダマになっている。やっぱりバニラ味は美味しいな。
12 seconds later.
神を感じたと。肉厚だ。これほどの肉厚を身につけたか。なるぞ。マチョたち、マチョたち、マチョたち。
So what is child labor?
Get that light, please. Thank you. Gracias.
So let's combat child labor around us. Don't let our children's future being deprived.
Moving up. Clean up aisle 5.
Oh no! Oh God!
Is the wall that joins my bedroom with her bedroom. Now you know. So one night, laying in my bed, Twitter,
Clear.
Tumblr, whatever websites make me sound cool, I don't fucking know. When suddenly, I start hearing a sort of muffled banging, like
Boom sucker! Woo! Oh! Oh! Yeah!
And at first, like, I thought, is she knocking on my wall? Am I making noise or something? Is she fucking hammering something? 1 AM? No, someone was hammering her. Just thought of that joke.
Hello there.
I was wondering when I would come in here to find you sitting in that chair.
We're now facing a threat unlike any we've ever faced before. I know you've retired.
I'm not the man you knew during the Cold War. I made a vow never to kill another human being.
This is the world that you know.
I'm Wilfred Brimley, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes. I went to see a doctor, and he explained things to me in a language that I understood. And I think the most important thing he said to me was,
"Drink your water, stupid."
And ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly the way it's been.
I don't believe it. It's not possible.
I didn't say it would be easy, Neo. I just said it would be the truth.
Stop.
Someone asked, when is Demo going to sell his bathwater? Demo, when are you going to sell your bathwater? I hope you say never.
My apologies, my bathwater is currently not for sale.
Let me out! Let me out! I want out!
Ah, these fucking rails.
This is quite entertaining.
Did he cock it back and safety? Oh.
Well. What the fuck?
Don't question it. Bye.
I was like bang bang, and you were just like, oh. Just like, why did I say it? Because I was just gonna shoot.
It's been 173 days since the undoing. Today, I may be the last man alive. However, If there is another, I will find them.
Tristan, the meme master, he is going to be getting the quesadilla. Yeah. No, JD, shut your fucking mouth. No, he has one quesadilla, and I gave it to Tristan.
My message to you. As a matter of fact, I don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, so can you. Everybody's saying that the scat man stutters but doesn't.
If somebody wants to buy and eat mine, I told him he owed me a ZJ or 20 bucks.
Yeah, that's probably Tristan.
Oh yeah.
You know why your weapon's not shooting? Why would it not be shooting, Private? Maybe because you have run out of ammo. Maybe because you have finished all of the rounds inside your magazine. How? So now you can no longer shoot because you have no more ammo.
How did this happen, just saw it?
You shot it all, Private.
Oh.
Private, your weapon is clear at this time.
Oh.
Step back to the rear.
So what do you want to do? Whoa, that's crazy. Man, we've been spending way too much time together. Like, damn. Like, damn. Damn. Okay, stop copying me. Stop copying me! Dude, this is kind of freaking me out. Okay, seriously, what the f***? Ready? 1, 2, 3, Bananarama! What the f***? Why would you even think to say that too? It's not even a real word! Meow, f***.
Let me show you real quick the tactical reload, and then I'm gonna talk about the advantages. What you're gonna see now is something that you're not gonna see in a recent video, because the slide will lock back, which means that my gun is dry, but I'm still gonna perform the tactical reload because I think it's a better solution.
Oh!
Okay, let's not do this again. Yeah, I don't recommend doing this.
So this is just an interview for the newspaper. I just have a couple of questions. What was he like? He was polite, intense, smart, really intimidating. Do you have any interests outside of work?
What about you? I'd like to know more about you.
There's really not much to know about me. Look at me.
I am.
To what do you owe your success?
I exercise control in all things, Miss Steele.
It must be really boring.
capable of leaving you alone.
Then don't.
I had a rough start in life. You should steer clear of me. I don't do romance. My tastes are very singular. You wouldn't understand.
Enlighten me then.
She got the meds on her back. Ask for the 100 in cash. He gonna let his tongue lash. She gonna give him a rash. I'm gonna get inside Dominic's wing and go to the Space Needle. I